Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you are all good. Now open your English book, page number 69. Today we are going to learn about sounds. Now we are going to learn the sound OU, ow. OU, ow. Look at the picture and talk about it. Look at the first one picture. What is this, student? This is a house. H, H, O, U, ow. S, E, S, house. We'll learn the sound O, U, ow. House. Look at the woman, students. What is this? This is a pouch. P, O, U, ow. S, H, pouch. Pouch, pouch. What is this, student? This is cloud. K, L, O, U, ow, D, cloud. CLOUD, cloud. Look at that woman, student. She is shouting. Why she is shouting? Because she is a mouse. SHOU, ow, T, shout. MOUSE, mouse. OU, ow. We learn the sound OU, ow. Look at the next page, student. Page number 70, 70. Write and say sound OU, ow. Trace the sound OU, ow, and write as it is OU, ow. Write words having sound OU, ow. Like this: house, mouse, shout, cloud, pouch. Make sentence: house. My house is big. Mouse. The mouse is small. This is your homework, students. Also write H.W, day and date. Do it carefully. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.